As a person in maintenance, you're probably looking for creative ways to reduce failures and reduce downtime. As your crane engineering account manager, I specialize in doing that. Hi, I'm Bob Gemuenden, coming to you from Minneapolis. When you work with crane engineering, you are automatically provided with a team of experts experienced in all facets of fluid processing. Your support team includes new equipment application engineers to help size, select pumps, mechanical seals, filters, or mixers. Call one of our valve application engineers to help choose the perfect valve for the most challenging applications. A service inside salesperson can help answer quick troubleshooting questions and help schedule regular maintenance or repairs at your facility or our factory authorized service center. Our parts department provides fast quotes and spare parts and can help identify exactly what you need. A customer service representative is available to you for questions on order status, invoicing, or expediting orders when necessary. Last, an inside salesperson for fast quotes on pumps, valves, filters, or other fluid processing equipment. Your dedicated team, including me, is available whenever you need us. If you're challenged with reducing failures, give me a call, 612-210-1699, and my email is b.gemuenden@craneengineering.net. As a thank you for watching, please head to our website to grab a free gift at craneengineering.net/team to grab a free charging pad for your phone. And thank you for watching.